What's going on? I'm currently in the middle of a big recording session, and I have been recording for about an hour now. I've got one video done, and it's hard work. I've already had 2 coffees today. I've got a third one here, third coffee, and it's really, really shaky, so I'm finally having some fruit. And you know, it's hard fucking work. It's mentally draining. I woke up today, got my ice bath ASAP, got in the hot shower to warm myself up, blasting my music, you know, getting into that good feel. Come here, set up the camera, it takes like 10 minutes because I'm fucking bad at it, and sit down and record, and it's mentally draining work, I won't lie. It's mentally hard work, my throat is sore, recording at my level, sorry, it is very, very hard. And I enjoy it. I don't know where this video is gonna go. But I enjoy this work. I really, really do. I'm about to record another video about what to do if your sort of parents don't understand you and you wanting to do YouTube and everything and dropping out and everything like that. Because I recorded one while I was in Greece. I only uploaded that like yesterday. And already I've got like 2 guys messaging me saying like, thank you for that video, Sam. It's basically got really, really like good reception. A good few amount of like good comments as well. And yeah, I'm making another one. And I just enjoy this shit, man. Just like helping out people to follow their dreams and to make money in line with this and to have the freedom that I have. I just enjoy it, you know. I'm glad to have something that I can work on this hard and enjoy it. Because like studying and like work like that, it's like you can grind hard on it, sure, but you're not actually going to enjoy it, which isn't going to make you like work really like real hard, which then means like you aren't going to do as well, or you just work on something you enjoy doing, like YouTube, like self-improvement YouTube, or something like that, or coaching other guys like who are like your younger self, solving their problems. It's just fucking epic work, you know, because you enjoy it, because you love it so much, and because it's your passion. You just work harder and you naturally just make more money, you know? I don't know where this video is going to go, but I just felt the need to express myself, you know? Probably end up on the second channel. I might upload it on the first channel as a little BS, a little quick thing, you know? I don't know. Well, it's been good talking and eating with you. I gotta get on with my recording. Oh my God, my legs cramp up so fast with this much coffee in me.